People can easily filter out noise, comma, which lets us understand each other even in a busy and noisy restaurant, period. Computers need help separating sounds from other sounds, period. Computers need help separating speech sounds from other sounds, period. As you read, comma, make sure you're in a place without too much noise, period. You should also check the position of your microphone, period. Your microphone should always be about an inch away from the corner of your mouth, period. When people talk, comma, they often hesitate, comma, mumble, comma, slur their words, comma, or leave words out altogether, period. But we're able to understand each other, period. But we are still able to understand each other, period. For example, comma, we use our microphone and common experience and common sense to decide whether someone said, open quote, ice cream, close quote, or, open quote, ice cream, close quote. Dragon doesn't understand what words mean, comma, so it can't use common sense the way people do, period. Instead, comma, Dragon recognizes words that appear next to other words, period. It learns this from the way you speak, period. You speak to it, period. You need help it understand how you speak and the context of the words you use, period. Dragon calculates how frequently words and phrases are used and can offer you suggestions when it makes mistakes, period. You need to know how to operate it properly, period. You just need to know how to operate it properly, period. It's best to dictate complete sentences, comma, speaking clearly and evenly, comma, in a natural manner, period. The idea is to speak to Dragon normally, comma, at a consistent speed and volume, period. Try not to hesitate, comma, exaggerate your pronunciation, or talk loudly or slowly, period. Try to think about your whole sentence before you start to speak it, period. This will give Dragon the context it needs, period. The software lets you dictate punctuation and symbols, comma, such as question mark, open quote, plus sign, and hyphen, even things like smiley face, period. Dragon also comes with hundreds of commands, comma, including new paragraph, move mouse up, move mouse down and left, correct that, undo that, copy that, cap that, go to end, press OK, press escape, tab key. Pause briefly before saying a command, and Dragon will instantly recognize that the command is something you want it to do, comma, rather than something you are dictating, period. When you first start dictating with Dragon, comma, it's important to be patient, period. As with anything, comma, practice is important, period. Try to avoid saying extra words you really don't want in your document, comma, like open quote, you know, period, close quote. Dragon has no way of knowing which words are important, comma, so it simply transcribes everything you say, period. Think about what you want to say before you speak, period. This will help you to dictate and complete phrases, period. To understand what it means to speak both clearly and naturally, comma, listen to the way newscasters read the news, period. For best results using speech recognition, comma, copy this style when you dictate, period. If you dictate something by accident, comma, you can delete it by saying, comma, open quote, scratch that, period, close quote. You can delete full sentences, comma, a phrase, comma, just one word, comma, or a symbol, period. When you're dictating something Dragon doesn't understand, comma, like a person's apostrophe S name, comma, you can say, comma, open quote, spelling mode, comma, close quote, and then spell out the word period. You can apply formatting using a word processor, period. Just select the word voice, comma, then you can capitalize, comma, change the font size and style, comma, and apply bold, comma, italics, comma, or underline, period. Another great feature is that Dragon can check your documents to learn how you write, comma, and the words and phrases that are most frequently used when you speak, period. Dragon enables you to perform many everyday tasks by just using your voice, period.